These swing bridges in Norfolk carry trains over a waterway, and they swing open to allow boats to travel along the waterway and into the ports and harbours. This area of the world is a big tourist spot. A lot of tourists travel here by boat. They may be local residents, so it's really important to the local economy that we can open these bridges and that we maintain those and keep them working reliably.
This bridge is well over 100 years old. And with age it's becoming increasingly unreliable and more difficult to maintain. We're dealing with a lot of Edwardian technology here, so that a lot of things need oiling, checking, adjusting throughout the year. It's controlled by levers, by hand. The bridge fails as many as 20 times a year. When it gets hot, the bridge expands and often can't actually open because it just gets stuck. The winching cable just falling off the pulleys. It's costing the railway a lot of money to keep these bridges going. So we really have to get under the skin, look at these mechanical and electrical components and either renew them or replace them with a modern equivalent, hopefully greatly improving reliability, safety and reduce the amount of maintenance that these three bridges require.
Network Rail is funded by taxpayers' money, so we're always looking at methods of making our projects more efficient and ultimately cost less for the taxpayer. What we've done differently is we carried out a number of drone surveys in the area to get a lot of aerial footage. Using traditional survey methods, it can be up to months to get sufficient access to carry out these surveys at the weekend. So using a drone, we managed to shorten the programme by a number of months and save tens of thousands of pounds in survey fees.
As of right now, the three bridges require maintenance staff to visit them once a week for scheduled maintenance, as well as many times a year for unscheduled maintenance. And we reckon it's costing around £100,000 a year, and over the next 25 years that will be £2.5 million. The works that we do here should significantly reduce that maintenance cost, as well as reducing delay minutes from bridge unreliability.